York JFK. We will be arriving at terminal number 7, gate number 8. At New York JFK's terminal number 7, you can experience the latest and greatest airport technology and amenities from the 1970s. The local time now is 3:32 p.m. Please keep your seatbelt on and press the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your stuff where until we reach the gate. If your phone is within reach, you can take off airplane mode. With our baggage service, guarantees your bags with baggage plate number 5 within 20 minutes of arrival at the gate. Or see a baggage agent to receive a discount miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, please check the monitors inside terminal or select your airline mobile app. Once again, we are arriving at terminal number 7. Our partner airline American. Depart out terminal number 8. There is a complimentary air train service connecting the two terminals. When exiting the aircraft, we'll be exiting through the forward doors. Keep in mind that we are not in California anymore. It is about 50 degrees outside. On behalf of everyone here at Alaska Airlines and proud member of the One World Alliance, we thank you for flying with us today. We also like to congratulate Miles Time member for nearly 2,446 miles on today's flight. To put that in perspective, that's almost as long as the drive-through line at In-N-Out. Visit alaskaair.com/mileplan for more information about our winning program. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. And I wish everyone a safe and wonderful and happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. And for those of you going shopping on Friday, may the odds be ever in your favor.